Hi guys, I'm just waiting for all of you to join so that I can start. Hello everybody. Sid, you're here. My brother also has joined. Lovely. I hope you all can hear me. In about 2 minutes, once all of you all have joined, I will add a doctor. And there are a lot of issues that you guys have spoken about, and I've tried to cover as much as I could in all the questions to ask doctor. And we have various things that you guys have asked about: acne, dark spots, stretch marks, how to treat acne at home, everything. So all of that will be put before doctor, and she will my brother and she will address all your issues. So I think I'll just add her now. We're waiting for Dawson to join. Hello, how are you?
Hi, Erika. Very good, and good to see you here. It's
Same here,
shiny.
same here. Yeah, I'm shining. I'm doing. That is actually one of the questions someone asked, which you will reply later because you're the right person to ask why I am glowing. And
Okay.
yeah, someone asked that in the
Oh,
questions. Yes. So for those who do not know Dr. Apratim Goel, she has a, a a specialist in this field since years, and I know her since a decade because I think the first time I met you was 10 years ago when I was a part of
yes,
Bombay Times Fresh Face, and this
that's
fresh
so.
face has stayed fresh because of her. So she
Thank you.
also has a chain of skin clinics called Cutis, where I keep going to every now and then for any of my skin concerns. And today we are going to ask her a lot of questions that a lot of us are inquisitive to get answers to. So, do you have anything to say, Doctor?
No, I'm eager to listen to the questions.
Okay.
Erika.
So we will start with first the basic questions. A lot of us have concerns regarding acne, and
Mhm.
most of us are not known to why acne happens. Correct.
Right.
So we just know acne as acne. But there are many reasons why we get acne. There can be cystic acne, there can be hormonal acne due to hormonal imbalance, there can be because of our periods we get acne, then you have different kinds of acne. So how do we address this issue and how do we take care of it by using things at home?
Great. So, great question to start our live with, Erika. Now, acne, whatever, like we call it pimples, Hindi में मुहासे,
Huh.
zits, essentially, आप कोई भी नाम दो, all acne are hormonal. That's the bottom line.
Okay.
अभी
Okay.
it can have different triggers. Like some people by
Okay.
having high sugars it can
Mhm.
trigger acne. For some, chocolate can trigger acne. For some, leaving the makeup on and not cleansing your skin can trigger acne.
Right.
So there can be triggers to acne, but essentially acne always are hormonal. Abhi, you
Okay.
just said about home remedies, right?
Right.
So
Hmm.
home remedies, I won't recommend for all kind of acne that you guys
Hmm.
only treat it at home and don't go to a dermat, because at
Hmm.
one point you need a medical help for acne.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
you may need antibiotics, you may need vitamin A, salicylic
Hmm.
acid, benzoyl peroxide,
Hmm.
depending on your skin. But yes,
Right.
for those of you who are right now sitting at home and not able to visit a doctor, what you can do is start with a cleanser which contains salicylic acid. Okay,
Right.
so it's called SA, salicylic acid, or it's also called BHA, which is beta
Right.
hydroxy acid. This is essentially same. So find it to the percentage of 1 to 2%. Use your face to wash that. Avoid putting lot of thicker creams like mom's cream, daughter don't use because it's going to be different
Correct.
for her skin type and yours. Then you can also start using a mild antibiotic cream which contains adapalene and niacinamide, which is
Right.
available for name. You can have face clean gel. So like that, you can use that in the daytime. And of course, cleanse your skin, but also doesn't mean that, a lot of patients are scared of touching any moisturizer to the skin the moment you have acne. And it is, the oils are more in your skin. It's not the water. So hydrated with a lotion based moisturizer. This is one thing you can do. Second thing, when you are at home, please don't load your scalp with oil. See, anatomically, our face and scalp skin are similar. So when you go on loading oil here, you obviously increase the oiliness on the face and you can start breakouts. At least you start an inflammatory process. So that's something you don't do. And thirdly, you can also make some mist. We have said it in a lot of our YouTube videos. Make some facial mist and keep hydrating your skin. Just, not to the trouble of going and washing your face every time. That's also not good.
Not
if you
good,
so just mist. So in essence, for all those listening for acne, use something, a face cleanser which has salicylic acid in it. Then secondly, use a light moisturizer. At home, use facial mist and avoid oiling hair and skin. In short.
So even there was a concern regarding acne due to dandruff.
Yes.
So how the same process even for the acne caused by dandruff?
Yeah. So when you have dandruff in acne, it's usually the wet dandruff. See, dandruffs are also of many types. Dandruff, automatically, the moment you have dandruff, everybody just switches to a bottle of oil and just starts pouring, thinking this is the solution. In fact, it is the reverse. When you have acne with dandruff, your scalp is oily. What you are seeing is precipitated oils. So, don't jump to oiling. Use a zinc paritron or an anti-dandruff shampoo.
So is it safe to use like a scalp scrub to get rid of all the dandruff?
Yes, it is safe to use a scalp scrub. Also rule out whether you have dandruff or you have a psoriasis, which can coexist. Psoriasis is completely different from dandruff. But yes, don't just go on loading oils on the scalp.
Okay. Thank you for that. I hope those who asked about acne have their questions answered. And now we're talking about dark circles. Someone asked how to get rid of dark circles for those who wear glasses, spectacles, or in general. So some who are not wearing, some who are wearing. So they have a lot of dark circles or inner corner darkness.
Correct. So see, dark circles is a very complicated problem. In addition to being genetic, it gets aggravated because of our lifestyle. When you said wearing glasses, where there is a contact of the nose pin, you tend to get a mark there. But apart from that, you could just have this hollow. Sometimes it actually looks like panda eyes. So, like very, very prominent. So we actually, as dermatologists, we like to see whether it is the hollow or the loss of volume, like a ghadda in the under eye, whether that is creating it look as dark circles or whether it is really pigmentation. So iska simple test hai, you just look up, look at the light and see. If these circles disappear, then they are because of shadow and because of the volume loss. In that case, only thing which works is filler injections. It's like there is something missing here and we have to fill it up, or of course,
once you fill it up, it lightens automatically because the volume is regained.
Perfect. Now,
so for that, they have to go to the clinic and visit doctor, and then she will,
which is a half an hour treatment, which is filler. But if there is a real darkening of the skin, then at home there are a lot of remedies. We've also put up on YouTube. You can use potato juice, you can use cucumber, you can even mix some other like vitamin C in that. You can use serums which contain arbutin or kojic acid or vitamin C at night. As dermatologists, we also do chemical peels, lasers for that pigmentation. So that's actually more complicated and time taking than just putting filler. Filler is like a very easy thing, but everybody is not a candidate for filler and everybody is not a candidate for lightening. It depends after we have a look.
You have to check. All right. So moving on to the next one. So someone asked us which is a preferable serum that they could use in their skincare routine. Would it be like vitamin C or hyaluronic?
That's a great question, because these two molecules are very much spoken about these days. So
Right.
see, the choice, both are great serums in my opinion. The choice of picking one, if you have to pick one, of course you can
Hmm.
use both, because
Hmm.
they both address different
But
concerns on the
different,
skin.
yes.
Yeah.
One lightens while one gives you
Hydrates.
hydration. Yeah.
Perfect. So vitamin C is more of an antioxidant. It reduces the pigmentation, prevents
Yeah.
the sun damage signs. Whereas hyaluronic acid is more of a moisturizer. It
Hmm.
binds moisture to the skin. Nothing stops you from using both. And if you
Hmm.
are using both, then first use the hyaluronic acid.
Hmm.
Hyaluronic acid can be used morning and night, both. Daytime you're getting out. In fact, I recommend that should be the first product
First
on
thing.
the
Yeah.
skin before you
That's
put.
what I used to.
Yes,
You've given me
yes.
that. Yeah.
And but if you're using it at night, then first use HA,
Vi-
then you can use
Vitamin C.
vitamin C or other
Hmm.
products. Also, when you pick up an HA, pick up something which contains niacinamide in it. So hyaluronic
Right.
acid with niacinamide is a great combination.
Combination. So that will also lighten the marks that you have from acne,
Yes, yes,
right?
acne
Yeah.
marks. That's right.
So, so we've also addressed the issues regarding dark spot and acne. So you can use hyaluronic acid with niacinamide in it. So
Niacinamide. That's
that will take care of dark spots and acne as well. Correct? So someone asked me here, does lactocalamine really help in reducing pimple marks?
So lactocalamine doesn't help in reducing pimple marks, but because
Hmm.
lactocalamine dries your skin, it does to some extent help acne.
It
But
helps soothe the acne, but
yeah,
not take
exactly.
care of the
No,
marks.
no, it
Yeah,
won't. So it's a very temporary measure. In fact, lactocalamine is a soothing agent. So
right,
aloe vera or lactocalamine, these are some which you can even use for a sunburn. When you're
right.
stepping out and you feel suddenly the skin hot, or even when
Uh-huh.
you're using your mask, which we
Right.
do these days, you can
Yeah.
just put it in this area to soothe the skin. But don't
Okay.
trust it so much as a maintenance molecule for your acne marks.
Okay. And how to treat blackheads or whiteheads at home?
Well, that's again a bit
And how are these
dicey.
caused?
Yes. So blackheads and whiteheads are actually babies which will future may become acne. So these are
Acne. Hmm.
precursors of acne. They may
Right.
just stay as blackheads, whiteheads.
Hmm.
Eventually, whiteheads turn into blackheads because the pore open and it gets oxidized. But even if
Okay.
it doesn't happen, sometimes it can just stay as whiteheads. So at home, when you are sitting, your first concern again is that you exfoliate the skin gently.
Hmm.
You can use something called retinols, and they
Retinol. Yeah.
specifically has to be used at night, because
But
retinols
then
are.
also the percentage of retinol is very
Yes, yes, yes.
important what you
You said
use.
that right. So don't use more than 0.05%.
Right. Yeah.
That's the upper strength you will use.
Right.
Use it at night and always
So
combine it with the moisturizer.
yeah, I was going to get there. So people who are new to retinols have to first combine it with moisturizer so that they start getting used to it, because sometimes your skin may get sensitive with it and you might also start peeling, right?
Very true, very true. And also
And you have
don't
to use a broad
step out.
spectrum sunscreen in during the day.
Exactly, yes.
Yeah.
And don't use it in the daytime, but even if you have used it in the night, the effect will be there in the daytime. So
And
as dermatol
for me, the magic product is the retinol at
is
night.
the same here. I have a great trust on retinol. In fact,
Yeah.
as derms, we use up to a very strong percentage of retinols in chemical peels. So
Chemical
what
peels.
we say as yellow peel is basically a retinol peel. So
Right.
when we use a strong concentration, we are inducing peeling on the skin. And also
Yeah,
we
so
are
you
inducing
tend to like
collagen,
heavily peel.
you heavily peel, which has to be under supervision.
Yeah. Okay, so that we've addressed. So for blackheads and whiteheads, we basically have to no, sorry, exfoliate.
Also, but you can try a little, steam exfoliation, especially
Yeah,
blackheads, because it's easy to,
it will
there is
remove.
there is something called witch hazel, which is available,
Right,
okay,
right.
online. So you
Which is
just
like
soak
alcohol, some kind of alcohol.
in the alcohol base. It is something
Yeah.
which actually desiccates the skin and it
Okay.
loosens the bond between cells. So once you
Okay.
put that, the skin, or even you can use a good toner, but toner tends to irritate. So I'm not a big
Okay.
fan of that. Once you apply that, it's easy to break open, and then you can just take clean fingers. Of course, your hands have to be
Okay.
washed, and
Yeah,
then you can
sanitize.
just remove the blackheads if you have to. And
So one
if you
question, do I take steam before applying the witch hazel, or no steam is required?
No, you first put witch hazel. You put a
Okay.
little steam if you can, but take care that you do not burn the skin. Otherwise, even by
Okay.
itself, if you leave it for 10 minutes, it will loosen the skin, the
Okay.
corneocytes, the dead skin. And then
And then
with
you
gentle pressure,
blend
remove
in.
it. Also, immediately after removing, put an antibiotic cream. Don't
Okay.
just leave the skin. Sometimes even in the salon or clinic, when you do
They
cleanup,
leave it
you tend
open.
to get marks. Yeah, which is
Right.
a normal process of removing the comedone.
Okay. So, related to that, I have another question, which was one of my questions. Does icing, right, after a cleanup, now if I want to just ice it out, a lot of people say that, it shrinks pores. Does it actually shrink pores? Or it's just a temporary solution for that moment that it shrinks pores and tightens the
Tem-
skin?
Temporary.
Temporary, right? Yeah.
But icing does two other things. See, because it
Hmm.
reduces the blood concentration, it closes the pores, it also reduces inflammation and soothes the skin. So if you're going
Right.
to put some product on top and if you have iced it, it does good to your skin. But
Hmm.
nothing which will last forever. It's not permanent.
Okay.
It's
Just
also
for that moment.
yeah, also on the subject of icing, Erica, this is personally my favorite remedy which I do. If
Hmm.
you take a lot of neem leaves, neem,
Huh.
and
Hmm.
a lot of rose petals and boil them, and the
Huh.
water, if you just freeze it in the fridge, and instead
And
of a
apply that
normal ice cube,
ice
if you
cube.
take that ice cube and rub, it has a lot of antibacterial and astringent properties as well. So,
Okay.
maybe those who are sitting at
So
home
that's
right now,
very good for the summers. If you're getting
that's
like, you just come home and then you just rub that ice all over your face.
acne prone, sensitive skin, it's very good.
Hmm.
Even hydration, amazing. So one can
Oh,
do
okay.
that.
I'm gonna try that. Um, okay. So how do you treat open pores and pigmentations around the face or mouth?
Right. So open pores at home, I'm afraid we can't do much other than what you already mentioned was icing,
Icing.
which is temporary, and using
Hmm.
retinol. So that also
Hmm.
depending on your skin. Now
Hmm.
coming to pigmentation, so that you don't try, but with dermatologists, we do derma rollers, we do radio frequency treatments, we do fractional
Hmm.
carbon dioxide lasers, which
Hmm.
also what they do is because they increase collagen, so your pores tighten up. That's all.
Okay.
But you can't have a choked up skin. Like it doesn't totally
Right.
go away. When you look in a magnified mirror, you will still see the pores. So you can
No, but you
reduce
have
them.
done the carbon facial for me because I have a lot of the pigmentation and I have
That is your
freckles and
secret of glow,
that is
actually.
why, yeah, and I've also put that up for people to know that I keep doing the carbon facial everyone,
Yes,
yeah.
yes.
So it lightens my pigmentation that I have. I have a lot of freckles, which are not very visible on camera, but when you see me, you will see the freckles.
Yes.
So yes, one of
And
that.
also orally for pigmentation, sun protection, because these is everybody's at home and we don't realize the windows amount of
Hmm.
sun which comes in. So sun
Hmm.
protection, taking your oral supplements like vitamin C, you can have glutathione as well, which is good
Right.
antioxidant. But
Hmm.
then at night you can take up a good serum which contains, kojic acid, berberry, vitamin C, azelaic acid also. And if you
Hmm.
apply that, that to a large extent will slowly control the pigmentation, fade it away.
Okay.
So
Another
you
thing
asked
about
about,
open
so you
pores, when
asked
you're talking
about
about,
pores.
yeah, pores
Yeah,
and pigmentation, these two.
correct,
So
correct.
we've addressed pigmentation. Now, in terms of open pores, does vitamin A help?
Yes, orally taken vitamin A orally. See,
Okay.
retinol is also a vitamin A.
Vitamin A,
So
correct.
that's also
Hmm.
a form of vitamin A. Orally, vitamin A, that to a particular form of vitamin A helps in closing the pores because it
Hmm.
shrinks the sebaceous glands. But
Okay.
not all over. Wherever the sebaceous glands, like our T zone, it does
Uh-huh.
help in
So for
reducing
the
the.
for the nose, and would it help here also in this area?
Yes,
It
yes,
will. So
definitely.
I think
It
most
would.
of our concerns with open pore is here. But again,
Yes,
consult your doctor before taking vitamin A, right?
yes, very true, very true.
And okay. Yeah, the question is, why does my skin glow so much?
Yes, so I think partly we've covered here. So Erica is
Yeah,
very particular about her skincare. She is a big fan of retinols and hyaluronic acid, which is something
yeah,
which we discussed. And yes, I think we do the carbon facial, your
the carbon
favorite.
facial. Yeah,
Yes, yeah, because by virtue of your work, you are exposed to makeup,
yes.
stress all the time, and lights. So I think just and you're on a very low maintenance, but I like
Yeah.
that you're very particular about the time period. You know, a lot
Yeah.
of people expect treatment done once and for 6 months you're problem free. That attitude doesn't work. You know, these treatments are literally like food to your skin, and even the
Yeah.
products which you use. So I think that, and you're a positive thinker, Erica. That helps a lot.
Thank
I've
you.
always seen you smiling and enterprising. So I think, yeah, that's the secret to your glowing skin.
Yes.
And you thank your mom for that.
And I thank my mom,
Genetics.
and I thank you also, because you are the one who are actually advising whatever I have done, and it's because of you. Otherwise, I would have
Thank
not
you.
really known how to maintain it.
Thank you.
Okay, so another one is, how can we get rid of stretch marks? Can you get
Well,
rid
you
of stretch
can't.
marks? You
No,
can't get
no.
rid of stretch marks.
See, stretch marks, when they start, they are
Hmm.
reddish. That is
Right.
actually the time when if you do a radio
And
frequency or
related
PRP.
to this, I'm sorry to cut you in here. There are questions of how stretch marks are formed also. So
Correct.
we
So
start with
stretch,
that.
yeah. So stretch marks happen when either, you know, during pregnancy it's common. When you
Hmm.
do very heavy weightlifting in the gym, it happens.
Right.
Or when suddenly, you know, somebody puts on weight or reduces
Hmm.
weight. So in
Right.
short, you know, there are elastin and collagen fibers under our skin. When you
Hmm.
suddenly increase the tension in them, like stretch them, or
Hmm.
you know,
Hmm.
suddenly lose weight by dramatic dieting or
Hmm.
weight
Hmm.
loss,
Hmm.
then you get stretch marks because the collagen and elastin bundles, they
Snap.
snap, they break.
Hmm.
And let me tell you, whatever, you know, you see the products or treatments or advertisements around, they never 100% go away.
Hmm.
Whether they are
Hmm.
post pregnancy or because of gymming or exercise or
Hmm.
weight
Hmm. Hmm.
loss.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
when they start, they are red. That is ideal time. You can reduce them up to 70 to 80%. If you
Hmm.
institute
Hmm.
a good topical cream along with, you know, some treatments like PRP or
Right.
yeah, radio frequency. But when they become whitish, then you
You
can never
can't. You can't.
improve them. No, you really can't
Un
make them go away.
Yeah, unless you do like grafting.
Yeah, unless
Yeah.
not really grafting, unless you kind of like abdominoplasty, where you know you just
Oh,
cut
okay.
off the skin and you know like that's called tummy tuck rather.
Oh, okay.
So in tummy tuck, we just kind of just cut off the whole skin, stitch it up, but that's a very surgical procedure.
Yeah,
But
that's a surgery. Mm.
non-surgically, there is nothing much which you can make to go away. But if you are prone to stretch marks, like for women who are, you know, during their pregnancy, or
Right.
guys who are, you know, gymming and they are scared, if you moisturize your skin well, you know,
Hmm.
before and after, and especially after taking bath when the skin
Hmm.
is
Hmm. Hmm.
damp, it does
Hmm.
help to a large extent to prevent stretch marks,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
actually.
So oils and good moisturizers would help.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay. So there's another question. Can keratosis pilaris be treated? Am I getting this name
KP.
right?
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. It sounded a little German, but it is keratosis pilaris. We call it
Okay.
KP, KP in
Okay.
short. So
Okay. What is this? I haven't heard of it,
it's
or I don't
little,
know too much about it.
yeah, because you didn't get it genetically from your mom, so you don't know.
Okay.
So anyway, KP is a genetic condition. What
Hmm.
happens there is around our arms,
Okay.
this part, especially the upper arm, you get little like spicules type, like it feels very sharp, and it is
Okay.
reddish when you see. So it's a genetic
Are they
condition.
like little bumps?
Bumps, absolutely correct.
Okay.
Little bumps.
Hmm.
Typically, it is on your arm, this part, the arm outside.
Hmm.
And whether we can clear it, see, if you do a gentle exfoliation with moisturizing and topical retinols, you can reduce
Hmm.
it to a large extent.
But
Uh,
are these like pigments, or are these like rash kind of bumps?
rash. They are
Okay.
reddish, but when you touch it, we call it jackfruit appearance because it feels
Okay,
like
it's pricky.
pricky.
Yeah.
Exactly, that's a word. It feels
Okay.
pricky.
Okay. Um, how to avoid or cure heat boils during summer?
Yeah, so heat boils in summer usually happens because of the heat. There is stimulation of oil glands. So see,
Hmm.
on the face, when we get these boils, we call them acne, but you can get them all over the body also.
Body, yeah.
And
So how do
those
we
are not,
address back acne and
yeah, correct. So number one is, you know, taking care of the heat, like, you know,
hmm
taking oral vitamin C helps.
hmm
Then
hmm
when you're exposed to heat, you get this a good exfoliation. orally vitamin C, and then you treat it like, antibiotic topically initially to start with. But if you
Okay.
get lots of them, then you will have to take an oral antibiotic.
Okay.
And if somebody
So,
is suddenly very prone to getting, then please check your diabetes, because sudden boils and lots of boils can actually indicate diabetes
diabetes.
also. Yes.
Okay. Because there
Yeah.
have been questions where, people have asked that I have acne all throughout. I've tried many things. I've gone to many doctors, but there's been no difference. So I think probably check your diabetes then,
And also, if
right?
acne are not going, you could be having PCOD. See, there is something called PCOD or
PCOD.
PCOS, right?
Yes.
So, if there is an underlying cause, and if we are not treating that, and we are just going on putting something on the skin, it's not
Hmm.
going to work. But once
Hmm.
PCOD is corrected, acne just clear away very fast. So,
Okay.
that's why I said in the beginning, and that was a beginning question, that acne is a little complicated
Complicated.
condition, yeah, and needs medical help.
So for back acne, what they can do at home, give me a safe solution that can be tried at home for
So
body
if
acne.
you, yeah, so you can use something like a benzoyl peroxide on the
Yeah.
back. You
Hmm.
get benzoyl peroxide body wash also. You can apply
Hmm.
it, leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes and wash it off.
Hmm.
It's available in the gel form also.
Hmm.
If you want to use something at home, then one of the best remedy for that would be, we have radish. We call it
Mm-hmm.
mooli,
Yeah,
right?
muli. Hmm.
Just scrub it.
Hmm.
The juice of that, mix it in little multani mitti. If you have sandalwood at home, you can use that also. Otherwise,
Okay.
just these two, mulika ras and
Huh.
the multani mitti, and apply like a pack on the back. And
Okay.
avoid any oil massages. No oil
Okay.
massages
No oil. Yeah,
application,
it'll just
because
aggravate.
you rub, yeah, it'll aggravate. Correct.
Hmm. So, any remedies for glowing skin? Home remedies
See, a
like a
glowing,
face pack or something.
yes. So glowing skin is just that if you're cleansing the skin, exfoliating it, and moisturizing it, I think every skin can glow.
Right.
If even then your skin is not glowing, then you need to know first of all whether you're drinking enough water, because
Water. Hmm.
you have to hydrate yourself.
Hmm.
Are you sleeping well enough, because that can also cause dark circles. But
Hmm.
sometimes, like I have had a lot of patients during lockdown who are on a health mission and who are losing a lot of weight. Fair enough, very
Uh-huh.
good. Not
Hmm.
very easy to do, but you do is good. But at the
But then
same
it
time,
loosens the skin.
exactly. So if your
Yeah.
skin is loosening, then the skin, see, a tight stretched skin will always glow. It's a
Glow.
secret,
Right.
right?
Right.
So anything which you stretch will reflect light and which will shine.
Uh-huh.
So if you
Hmm.
have just suddenly lost a lot of weight, and the skin has become loose, so obviously it'll look dull. So what you can do at home is whatever moisturizer or night cream, just kind of gently stroke it in the
Massage.
upward direction. It doesn't help a lot. Like you can have those jade rollers, and there are
Right.
lots going around on
What are
internet.
those? Do those rollers, those crystal rollers help? Actually help?
No, not an additional benefit, but what they do
Uh-huh.
is that, just the product which you've applied,
Circulation.
just that, yeah, just circulation, and instead of a hand, it's more of a cooling massage there.
Cooling
So you
massage and
don't,
a more solid form of massage than having your hands which are softer.
exactly, that's it. But you
Okay.
can try that at home, and then once the lockdown is over and we get back to normal life, there are
Yeah.
something called radio frequency treatments, which are very
Yeah.
good, non-surgical, to tighten the skin.
Tighten the
So,
skin. So once
yes.
you tighten the skin, you naturally have like glowing skin. And if you gain weight, which I don't think
Yeah.
a lot of you might want to do.
Yes.
Okay, what can you do to soothe any allergic reaction?
Allergic reaction, lot of things. So first of all, if it is skin, just
Hmm.
do a gentle wash on the face. That's important. Most of the
Hmm.
time when there is a rash, there is acid formed in the skin. So if you're at
Okay.
home and you have nothing at a hand, just take
Hmm.
baking soda,
Huh.
those soda
Huh.
which
Huh.
we use in the kitchen.
Soda. Yeah.
Just mix it in thoda sa pani and just dab it with a cotton, or directly spray it on the
Okay.
face. So
So that
it'll
soothes
soothe.
it.
That'll soothe it.
Okay.
That's one.
Does
Secondly, if you, yeah, sorry.
no, no, no. You can go ahead. You can go ahead.
Second is, if you have aloe vera at home,
Hmm.
just cut a little aloe vera ka pulp, and
Hmm.
if you have
Put
time,
that.
put it in the fridge. Otherwise, सीधा उसको rub कर लो. That is one thing.
Huh. Huh.
उसके अलावा you can
Huh.
always use calamine lotion. इसलिए I tell my
Yeah.
patient के
Huh.
calamine handy रखो.
रखो,
you know.
हाँ.
हाँ, अदरवाइज अगर रैश मीन्स वहां पे ब्लिस्टर है, रेडनेस है,
Correct.
इचिंग हो
Redness
रही
है.
है, स्किन
हम्म.
पील हो रही है, तो नेचुरली पुट अ माइल्ड मॉइस्चराइजर. यू कैन ऑल्सो
हाँ.
यूज अ माइल्ड स्टीरॉइड लोशन like hydrocortisone with of course guidance of your doctor, but
हम्म.
as dermatologists that is what we give, a mild steroid to apply
हम्म.
when there is a
हम्म.
reaction. And if the
हम्म.
allergy is really spreading, then it can be something which can be an internal allergy, and you really have to
Okay.
consult a doctor.
A doctor for that.
Yes, you have to consult, because you know it is not just skin. Your allergy can go into your throat and cause you difficulty in breathing. So it's
Right,
not
right, right.
so it's not very wise to just keep self-treating at
Yeah,
home.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
The inflammation that happens in the throat, and then you can't either swallow or breathe or
yeah,
something.
it
Yeah,
chokes you. Yes, yeah.
yeah. Okay. So someone said the skin on his feet and around his ankle has started to become very rough and thick, and he's tried quite a few moisturizers, and nothing has helped him. I think he needs to do a peel.
You got that. You're actually sounding like a dermatologist, Erica.
No.
I'm feeling I'm having a conversation with a colleague, like a fellow dermatologist. No,
Oh,
but
thank
you,
you.
but you said it right. But for this gentleman whose ankles
Hmm.
at are getting dark, what you are doing, sir, is that you are just putting creams, But because the skin is so thick, you can use the best of the moisturizer. It will not get
Yeah.
in, so it will not
Hmm.
work. So my
Hmm.
suggestion is you first exfoliate it. And if you're
Hmm.
sitting at home and you don't have access, you can always, just take a bit of coffee and papaya, like
Hmm.
ripe papaya,
Right.
mix
Huh.
them. It is a beautiful scrub for the body.
So
Okay.
granulated coffee.
Yes, granulated coffee.
Granulated coffee and
हाँ,
papaya का paste. Raw papaya का
papaya का
paste.
pulp. हाँ, raw
हाँ,
नहीं,
pulp.
पका हुआ.
Oh,
Ripe
sorry,
papaya.
पका हुआ. हाँ, ripe
हाँ,
papaya. You make the pulp and mix it, and you have to
scrub
scrub.
it. हाँ,
Scrub it.
बहुत सारे
Okay, and
scrub
keep
है
it on.
आप. नहीं, just scrub it and wash it off.
But papaya is
उस
also known for skin lightening.
It is. It has
Right.
pain in it, which is a skin
Yeah.
lightener. So
Right.
उसके बाद जब आपने अच्छे नहीं मतलब थोड़ा सा you have to just do few movements. You can
हाँ.
scrub the whole leg, but when you are coming to your ankles part, just do little more there. So
More
in
because
general,
it is thicker there. Your
correct,
skin is
correct.
thicker.
Yeah, and उसके ऊपर you put your moisturizers जो आप लगा रहे हो. Otherwise, there are special moisturizers available which contain urea, lactic acid. These are the things which you never use on the face. They are meant to be used on thick areas like your elbows and knees and feet, and they cause exfoliation, like visible exfoliation. So आपकी skin ना layer में निकल जाती है उससे. तो वो लगा के
अच्छा.
आप रात में छोड़ दीजिए, and then morning में you can take a loofah and scrub it off also.
So these
And
can be
as
also applied to elbows and knees.
Yes, you can use in elbow, knees, even buttock area, because वहां पे भी skin बहुत thick होती है, और feet पे
हाँ,
भी
हाँ.
आप लगा सकते हो.
So
Feet पे
what
भी
is this
लगा सकते
product called again?
हो. Urea
Is there a
lactic acid
certain name?
containing all the foot creams which are available. If you see the
हाँ,
ingredients, there will
हाँ.
be urea lactic acid in that.
Okay.
There is a fixed derma ki foot cream. There are Rallycos ki foot cream. There are lots of foot cream, but I guess
Okay.
you can pick up any जिसमें urea
And
lactic acid हो. हाँ. And then coming back to what Dr. Erica said in the beginning, कि peel करवा लो, because actually peels are the best option for these
हाँ.
areas. We do retinol and TCA peels for this.
Yeah. So once it is peeled, it will be like baby feet, and then you can moisturize and feel good about it.
Got that.
And okay, where are we?
I think हमने कोई भी question नहीं देखा ना, Erica? This is my first live जहाँ I'm not worried only about questions. नीचे क्या है? It's so
Okay,
relaxing.
we've done everything. But okay, there's another one. Is
Yeah.
shaving the face really a good alternative for hair removal? A lot
ये मेरा
because this has
favorite
become
question है.
this has become a trend, you know. Every YouTuber
Because
or
of
they keep shaving their face with the new razors that have come. So is it
correct,
good?
correct.
Should we be doing this? Will it increase hair growth or what?
Fantastic question. So the procedure which you are saying, Erica, it is called dermaplaning. Dermaplaning.
Correct,
ये
correct.
shaving नहीं है. Shaving is different from dermaplaning.
Different.
Dermaplaning का blade भी अलग होता है. It is at
हाँ.
45 degrees angle, and you do a gentle stroke movement
तो वो
so that
exfoliate होता है.
एग्जैक्टली तो ये बाल
हाँ.
के साथ साथ स्किन भी निकालता है. अभी ये थोड़ी सी टेक्निक वाली चीज है, हर किसी को एकदम से आता नहीं है. मतलब आई डोंट वांट टू गेट अ कट, बट टू आंसर द क्वेश्चन, वो सेफ है, कर सकते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स कर सकते हो. Women since ages have been shaving their faces. There is no problem,
हाँ.
but it is always temporary. it can sensitize the skin also.
Skin.
So मेरा suggestion as a dermatologist है कि जब lockdown खुले तो laser hair removal करवा लेना, right?
हाँ,
That is anyways the best to do. But can you shave? Yes, you can shave. Does it increase hair? No, it never increases hair.
So shaving in general does it thicken your hair?
See क्या होता है ना
shaving thicken
एरिका,
your hair?
हाँ
You're cutting it from the center.
नहीं,
Why is
हाँ
it?
है, सो नीचे से बाल चौड़ा होता है, ऊपर से पतला हो जाता है ना? तो जब आप वैक्सिंग करते हो तो वो पतला वाला बाल आता है, तो यू
Root
टच
से
इट एंड यू
निकलता है।
फील, हाँ।
हाँ।
लेकिन जब आप शेव करते हो तो आपने बीच में से काट दिया तो वो बाल थिक ही है, लेकिन वो आप उसे ग्रो करने दो, इट विल बिकम थिन. सो टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन,
So
थिक नहीं होते बाल.
it doesn't thicken, right? It's just a myth that shaving thickens your hair.
It's also a myth, when you shave your head you will get better hair. So if all those who are listening here, जो बार बार गंज
मुंडन करवाते हैं।
हाँ, बार बार मुंडन करवाते, कोई फायदा नहीं होता. आप करवा लो फैशन के लिए, बट साइंटिफिकली उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होता. आपके बाल ज्यादा ग्रो नहीं करेंगे मुंडन करने के बाद.
And the last one that we have in questions, and then if you want to answer any of the questions that they ask. So one, we spoke about how aloe is very good for our skin, hair, but applying aloe on a daily basis, will that increase facial hair?
नहीं नहीं, ये तो बिगेस्ट जोक है वर्ड. नहीं नहीं नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल. देखो, बाल बढ़ाना
या
लोगों का
they say कि हेयर के लिए अच्छा है, ग्रोथ के लिए अच्छा है, तो हेयर हमने हमारे फेस पे भी होगा, तो does it increase the growth there also?
That's a lovely question, and actually 1 + 1 put together makes sense, but actually ना स्किन में ऐसा नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अगर बालों में जैसे हम पीआरपी करते हैं और हम फेस पे भी पीआरपी करते हैं, तो दैट डजंट मीन कि फेस पे पीआरपी करने से बाल उग जाएंगे. उसके लिए हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करना पड़ता है अगर आपको कहीं भी बाल उगाने हैं, राइट? सो इन शॉर्ट, wherever there is a follicles and it is genetically determined area for hair growth, वहीं पे बाल होते हैं. तो अगर आपके फेस पे बाल आए और किसी ने क्वेश्चन डाला तो आई एम श्योर उनके साथ हुआ होगा या उन्होंने कहीं से सुना होगा, तो डेफिनेटली देयर इज एन इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम. सी, बाल कम्स बिकॉज ऑफ इंटरनल रीजंस. पीसीओडी है, कोई थायराइड है, या कोई और हार्मोनल प्रोलैक्टिन हाई है, आपका स्ट्रेस है. लेकिन ऐसे खाली एलोवेरा लगाने से बाल आते तो हम we would be out of job, to be honest. So नहीं आते. This is a myth totally. लेकिन एलोवेरा भी, staying on एलोवेरा, see, हर एलोवेरा का पौधा you can't put on the skin. I have seen terrible allergies to aloe vera also. मतलब बड़े बड़े ब्लिस्टर जैसे जल जाता है ना जब गरम गरम तेल आ जाता है, ऐसे. सी, ऐसा 250 स्पीशीज होती है एलोवेरा की, हर स्पीशी आप नहीं लगा सकते. तो उसके लिए बेस्ट है कि आप एक बार थोड़ा सा पल्प लेके लगा के छोड़ दो, नहीं तो बहुत बुरा रिएक्शन होता है. एंड आई हैव सीन अ ब्राइड गेटिंग, एंड वी हैड टू गिव अ स्टेरॉइड्स टू कंट्रोल इट, लाइक, या.
And does food directly, I mean, is there any relation with acne and eating, consuming any of the foods? Like हमने oily खा लिया, या हमने ज़्यादा chocolate खा लिया, या ये कुछ खा लिया, तो does that actually cause acne?
No, not a direct relation. See, acne more happens अगर आपने oil लगा लिया rather than oil खा लिया, उससे नहीं होता है. But high sugar consumption, because it spikes, we know there is a relation between insulin levels and acne, which is one of the causative agent, not in everybody though. But you should control high refined sugar food, like जैसे मैदा या बहुत हाई शुगर्स, बट अदरवाइज तला हुआ खाने से या चॉकलेट से, अगर आपको एलर्जी है, नहीं, मैंगो से भी नहीं होता. कुछ नहीं होता. नहीं,
मम्मी बोलती थी इतना मत खाओ, देखो एक्ने हो जाएगा, इतना एक्ने हो जाएगा. So that's why I'm asking.
नहीं, डायरेक्टली नहीं होता. इनफैक्ट अभी हमने एक वी हैड पुट अप अ पोस्ट आल्सो के वो जो मैंगो का सैप होता है ना ऊपर का, नहीं होता है, अगर वो टच कर जाए तो स्किन पे बर्न हो सकता है. तो मतलब मैंगो को मैंगो को हमेशा धो के खाओ. दैट्स द थिंग. वो सैप, इट इज कॉल्ड मैंगो सैप डर्मेटाइटिस, मतलब इट्स अ प्रॉपर एंटिटी.
Oh, okay. So let's see if any of the questions you want to. Yeah.
हाँ, देखते हैं क्या क्या है.
I use a lot of essential oils on my skin to make it look younger. Can you use essential oils directly on the skin?
No, right? You can't use. You need a carrier for that, and more than that, a lot of them can aggravate acne. So maybe his or her skin is stable type, like doesn't have acne or any irritation. But I still won't suggest till it's properly.
Someone has asked about tan removal and ingrowth.
How are you able to see? मुझे तो स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा.
नहीं दिख
हाँ
रहा
नहीं
है? Okay.
मतलब in the sense I don't know. I don't want to cut off the light. हाँ, what did you say? Tan removal.
Tan
So
removal के लिए.
tan removal के लिए तो बेस्ट रेमेडी वही है. देखो कैसा भी आ ही नहीं रहा, मैं देख ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. नहीं बट ये तो ओके नहीं
Can
हो
you
रहा
see?
है ना. वो ना एक
No?
लाइन आ रही है. नहीं आई थिंक वी हैव
Oh.
टू प्रेस. नहीं ये तो कनिका दिख जाएगी. ओके नहीं दैट्स ओके. यू आर टेलिंग मी एनीवेज. सो टैन रिमूवल के लिए ना अगर होम रेमेडी में पूछो तो बहुत कुछ होता है हमारे घर पे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू नो जैसे बनाना जब बिल्कुल खराब होने वाली हालत में होता है ना
हाँ, ओवर है पहले वो काले
हाँ ओवर
होते
है.
हैं.
हाँ
हाँ.
काले काले उसको आप यूज कर सकते हो. उसका पल्प यूज कर सकते हो. उसमें थोड़ा सा बेसन और नींबू डाल के. नहीं
I
तो
need to
आप
take this you. I should keep those bananas.
एक्चुअली वो बनाना ना दो चीज में अच्छा काम होता है. एक तो बनाना
हाँ.
ब्रेड बनाने के लिए और एक
Oh.
टैन रिमूव करने के लिए. दो चीजों के लिए.
Oh.
बट आई नो दे लुक वेरी अनसाइटी है ना. वो काले
Yeah,
काले
but
पड़ जाते हैं.
you just apply that and leave it for how long?
नहीं जस्ट रब इट फॉर 15-20 मिनट्स. ये सब
हाँ.
चीजें क्या होती है ना हम लोग बना के बाथरूम में ले जाते हैं और नहाते वक्त बिकॉज इतना पेशेंस किसी में नहीं है कि आप दुल्हन
नहीं.
की
हाँ.
तरह लगा के रखो
हाँ.
फिर सारे घर में हल्दी हो जाएगी फिर मतलब
हाँ. हाँ.
जाओ.
हाँ.
तो बेस्ट होता है कि आप इसे जैसे मसूर की दाल है ना
हाँ.
जो काली वाली मसूर होती
हाँ.
है उसको
हाँ.
रात को भिगो के आप पीसो एंड जस्ट विदाउट कुछ ऐड करे. वैसे तो उसमें हनी वगैरह हल्दी काफी कुछ ऐड हो जाता है. कुछ नहीं भी ऐड करते हो तो जो उसका छिलका होता है ना दैट हैज ग्रेट लाइटनिंग प्रॉपर्टीज. इनफैक्ट व्हेन यू
Oh.
केम टू क्यूटिस यू नो वंस वी हैड यूज्ड दैट एंटी टैन पाउडर इट इज
Yeah, I
एक्चुअली
could smell dal.
एग्जैक्टली. हाउ
Yeah.
स्मार्ट हाउ स्मार्ट. सो उसमें काली मसूर की दाल राइस और हम उसमें
हाँ.
AHA पाउडर यही होता है. तो इट्स
हाँ.
वेरी गुड फॉर टैन. इनफैक्ट पिसी हुई मसूर की दाल तो घर में हमेशा होनी चाहिए. सो यू
And you've also given me your uptans that you have,
यस यस. तो
which has a
उपटन
mixture of everything. हाँ.
हाँ इट हैज एसेंशियल ऑयल. उसमें हमने वो आर्गन ऑयल डाला है. उसमें बीटरूट
हाँ.
एक्सट्रैक्ट्स है टर्मरिक
हाँ. हाँ.
एक्सट्रैक्ट्स
हाँ.
हैं. दैट इज मोर
Right.
फॉर स्किन ब्राइटनिंग. बट अगर कुछ भी नहीं है तो आप घर पे वो तो यूज कर ही सकते हो
जी.
मसूर की दाल. So you could smell the
Great.
dal in the powder.
I could, yeah, I could make out there is a little dal in there.
That is smart. That is smart.
Is coffee good for tan removal?
Yes, it is. Coffee और papaya mix करो. That's one of the very good tan removing mixture. Scrub भी और skin softener भी. Yes, you can use coffee.
Even I think raw potatoes, raw tomatoes, tomato and raw milk. These combinations
Yes.
also are very good for tan, right?
किचन पे बहुत कुछ होता है बस थोड़ा मेसी होता है but otherwise आप बहुत कुछ यूज कर सकते हो स्किन के लिए.
And what about ingrowth? How can I think more than shaving, waxing is something that causes ingrowth, right?
इनग्रोथ ज्यादा लेग्स में होती है और या
हाँ.
फिर गाइस को यहाँ पे होती है नेक पे.
हाँ.
जहाँ पे भी ना बाल मतलब जैसे यू वेयर टाइट जीन्स उसकी
हाँ.
वजह से इनग्रोथ होती है बिकॉज बाल बाहर नहीं आ पाते एंड दे
हाँ.
मतलब बाल को तो बाहर आना है ना वो नहीं आ पाते
हाँ.
तो वो स्किन के नीचे ही ग्रो करते रहते हैं. और उसके लिए
Okay.
ओनली ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ कोर्स एट होम यू कैन यूज यू नो हॉट वाटर सोप्स एंड मॉइस्चराइजर टू सॉफ्टन द स्किन. लेकिन
And
ओनली
exfoliate it.
रेमेडी हाँ बट ओनली रेमेडी परमानेंट रेमेडी इज लेजर बिकॉज द ओनली थिंग विच गोज
जला
इन टू
देता है.
द स्किन. हाँ तो उसके लिए बाल बाहर आए ना आए लेकिन ऊपर से जला देता है. So just 2 to 3 sessions of laser hair removal takes care of the ingrowths.
Okay. And I've also seen on my brother's arm, because he's talking about, he's asking me the same thing. So my brother's
Okay.
arm, he has around his pores, around the hair, you know, the pore, वहाँ पे pigments है. Like it has
That
become
is
dark.
that's called strawberry appearance है ना. वो it looks like
हाँ,
छोटे
but
छोटे
it is
dots.
not, हाँ, थोड़े dots है. He's got it all over his arm here. So is there any remedy at
I
home
think
remedy for that?
you are talking for your brother is KP. He could be having keratosis pilaris.
Yeah, I think
अगर
so.
हाँ he has keratosis
Because when you're
pilaris.
talking about it, I was like thinking about his arm. So he's got that little black dots all over here at the side. So
And you
yeah,
can
it could
check
be that.
it must be in family. Maybe somebody in your family
Family.
had it because it can be genetic KP. But you can tell him even this urea lactic acid cream, which I said like fixed derma foot cream and all. Tell him to apply that at night and wash it off in the morning. It will lighten a lot.
Okay.
So urea lactic acid cream.
So a lot of people are asking remove stretch marks and reduce dark spots. We've covered all of this, so you can watch this chat later once it is saved. So all of these topics have been covered. And someone also asked, does a laser or any of these tools that we use, machines that we use at a clinic, give us any scars on the face or a body?
In fact, we treat scars with these machines.
Yeah.
Like जो एक्ने स्कार्स या इंजरी स्कार्स होते हैं
हाँ.
उस पे, लेकिन ये है कि हर मशीन का अपना फंक्शन होता है. जो मशीन हेयर रिमूवल में यूज होती है वो सिर्फ बालों पे काम करती है, वो कुछ और नहीं करती. जैसे आप जो कार्बन फेशियल करते हो उसका डिफरेंट पर्पस है, वो पिगमेंट पे काम करती है. सो स्कार्स के लिए जो मशीन है वो अलग है, वो रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, बट नो इट डजंट प्रोड्यूस स्कार्स.
I'm so sorry, but I don't know what is vitiligo. What is
vitiligo? Vitiligo.
Is that curable?
So it's a little difficult question again. Vitiligo वो होता है जो brown white spots हो जाते हैं ना.
हाँ.
Like that is called vitiligo या leukoderma भी कुछ लोग जानते हैं.
Yes, leukoderma.
Vitiligo. So vitiligo में से ट्रीटमेंट डिपेंड करता है आपका कितना बॉडी एरिया इन्वॉल्व है. अगर एक दो पैचेस हैं तो यस उसकी ग्राफ्टिंग हो सकती है और वो ट्रीट हो सकता है. लेकिन विटिलिगो एक ऑटो इम्यून प्रोग्रेसिव कंडीशन है. तो अगर आपको एक पैच है तो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपको ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. हाँ. वैसे मैंने पेशेंट देखे हैं जिनमें एक ही पैच रहता है पूरे लाइफ भी, या वो बढ़ भी सकता है. उसके लिए आपको एक डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट से ओपिनियन लेना चाहिए कि किस तरह का विटिलिगो है. बट जिसने भी क्वेश्चन पुट किया, एक बात बता दूं कि जब विटिलिगो एक्रेल होता है, यानी कि फिंगर टिप्स पे या लिप्स पे, नोज पे या टोज पे होता है, उसकी प्रोग्नोसिस थोड़ी कम अच्छी होती है. इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू ट्रीट. लेकिन अगर विटिलिगो का पैच यहाँ पे आता है, लाइक बीच में कहीं या यहाँ पे या बॉडी पे, तो वो जल्दी ट्रीट हो सकता है, उसकी प्रोग्नोसिस अच्छी होती है.
Okay. I think we've covered most of it. And someone had hair fall issues.
Okay.
क्या होता है hair fall and how to treat, or what is something that we could do at home to lessen it?
So hair fall तो खैर again बहुत complicated है. In fact, lockdown में there is something I think called lockdown hair fall because
of stress.
everybody, even if we don't look stressed, we are relaxed, we are not doing anything, but I think somewhere in our mind it's playing and it's causing a lot of hair fall. So a lot of patients are experiencing hair fall right now. क्यों होता है? देखो, commonly तो nutritional deficiency की वजह से होता है या stress की, ये तो दो common cause है. तो इसलिए naturally थोड़ा सा योगा, कुछ exercise and starting with your vitamins. अभी हेयर के लिए मैं, क्योंकि बहुत लोग के क्वेश्चंस हैं, तो मे बी आप हेयर रिवाइव या कैराग्लो या हेयर मैक्स या फोलिकेन, फॉली हेयर, ये सारे नाम हैं जो वी कैन इवन पुट इट डाउन. सो ये आप तो स्टार्ट कर ही दो, देयर इज नो डाउट. सेकेंड थिंग इज, बाल अगर आपका टूट रहा है, जैसे कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि बाल तो लंबे हैं बट इतने छोटे छोटे, मतलब
में से टूट रहा है.
हाँ, इसका मतलब आपको प्रोटीन डेफिशिएंसी है, जो वेजिटेरियंस में कॉमन होता है. और किसी भी तरह का प्रोटीन आप अपनी डाइट में बढ़ाइए. आप प्रोटीन शेक लेना चाहे, पाउडर लें, टैबलेट्स लें, थेरेप्टिन की बिस्किट्स लें, कैसे भी, दाल ज्यादा लें, विचएवर, मीट लें जो लोग नॉन वेजिटेरियन है. सो दैट अभी इसमें टॉपिकली बहुत सारे सीरम्स होते हैं जो आप यूज कर सकते हो. मिनॉक्सिडिल है, फिनेस्ट्राइड है. आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी हैज हर्ड अबाउट दिस, बट थोड़ा सा ना, आई थिंक दिस शुड बी यूज अंडर सुपरविजन ऑफ अ डॉक्टर, बिकॉज हर किसी का केस अलग होता है. कभी कभी मिनॉक्सिडिल आप लगाते हो, छोड़ देते हो, फिर वो डबल हेयर फॉल हो जाता है बिकॉज इट हैज अ रिबाउंड हेयर फॉल. तो इट हैज टू बी प्रॉपर्ली टेपर्ड. और ओरली भी, जो ये दोनों मॉलिक्यूल फिनेस्ट्राइड और मिनॉक्सिडिल है, ये ओरली भी यूज होते हैं और लगाते भी हैं. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट हैज टू बी विद अ डॉक्टर. बट आप एटलीस्ट ये स्टार्ट कर दीजिए कि, और हाँ, लोगों को हेयर ऑयल पे बहुत भरोसा है, तो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि हेयर ऑयल से.
Hair oil, at least what I believe is, hair oil is just a lubricant for your massage and for circulation, right? It doesn't really help in, because you're going, first of all, you're putting extra hair oil in your, you're putting oil in your hair, and then you're going and washing it off. You're taking off your also natural oils from your hair and making it more dry.
Exactly. So in the process, ज्यादा शैम्पू, ज्यादा ड्राई हेयर, फिर आप, and you get into a cycle of oiling and shampooing and oiling and shampooing. Right. So yes, you rightly said it. Totally, you nailed it. That it doesn't increase hair. You have to really eat well. You have to have a healthy lifestyle. And even जो आप खा रहे हो उसमें भी ना, what you are eating is very important. And it has to be a habit. ये नहीं कि अभी हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल हो जाएगा फिर वापस. It has to become a lifestyle.
So these supplements that you've given, can you just name them again so that
Yes,
people can start
hair.
taking them if they want to?
Yes, there is something called Hair Revive.
Okay.
Revive means REVIVE, Hair Revive.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
Keraglow. Keraglow में दो
Hmm.
आते हैं. Keraglow Eva for girls and
Hmm.
Keraglow Fort for men. तो
Okay.
Keraglow आप ले सकते हो और आप Folly Hair ले सकते हो. Hair
Hmm.
Fact ले सकते हो.
Hmm.
So these are some of the vitamins. या फिर आप हमें DM कर दीजिएगा इसके बाद.
Perfect.
है
And
ना?
actually,
Like
yeah, because we're not able to go to the clinic right now, they also do online
consult.
consultations, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we
So
do.
you can DM them. They will fix up a virtual meeting, and then you can show whatever, address whatever concerns you have, and that will be taken
Yes,
care of. Either you will be sent, you have products which you can courier to them, or
yes, yes.
whatever prescribed they can get from the chemist, right?
Very true. Very
Also, a
true.
doctor has a lot of products which are really nice. One of the Uptans,
Thank you.
which he's given me, and I think
Have
you
you
all should
used
try
it?
them.
Did
I
you
have to
use the
start
Upton?
using it, but it smells good.
Yes,
I've not
yes,
started using
yes,
it, but it is something which is very natural. It's not like medicated. So, it's like ghar ka bana hua, something that you use and you're,
yes. Which
doing
is
that. So,
safe. You can use it all over the
yeah.
body. है ना उसको थोड़े से
I
आप
am
कच्चे
going to
दूध में
post. मैं करूंगी और वो post भी करूंगी कि इसका result क्या है. Before after, I will do that.
ग्रेट 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 बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ बहुत सारी ब्राइड्स आती हैं एरिका जो
Hmm.
लाइक ग्रॉइन एरिया या प्यूबिक एरिया
हाँ.
या ब्रेस्ट के नीचे या अंडर आर्म्स
Darker
it
areas.
takes on your confidence level they are not even
Hmm.
raising the arm because
Yeah,
they are
yeah,
conscious
yeah.
so something like this या जैसे मैंने दाल वाला बताया मसूर दाल
हाँ,
वर्क्स
हाँ,
वेरी वेल सिर्फ पुराने जमाने में जैसे उपटन बनाते थे घर पे
हाँ,
तो
yeah.
एंड इट हैज टू बी समथिंग इन योर रूटीन वो कोई मैजिकल एक दिन की रेमेडी से कुछ नहीं होता है
हाँ, कुछ भी एक टाइम से नहीं होता. It's just
नहीं होता
something
है
that you have to do to get results. I have been coming to you for months with my whole skincare routine and
यस
cycle that I have been doing
यस
at home. I also have the other things that we use machines, and she's my carbon facial favorite, which I keep
यस
getting, which has lightened my pigmentation to. I mean, it has my pigmentation around the eye has literally vanished. It has become very
यस
light.
यस
So
इट्स
right
बिकम
now,
अ
I mean, a
इवन
lot,
इवन
yeah,
स्किन
it's
टोन
even skin tone.
यस
So a lot of people ask me the same thing. It's not over, nothing happens overnight, and you
नो
have to take care of it. I have things that I do in the morning when I wake up. I have things that I do sometimes during the day, but I definitely take care of whatever I do before going to sleep, because that's, I think, the ideal time for putting on most of your products, as that's
यस
when your body is repairing and it absorbs more and works
माय गॉड
better.
प्लीज टेक अ मेडिकल एग्जाम एरिका listen to you you are my best patient oh my god yes you
Thank
said
you.
it absolutely right you are taking all the attention when you are talking in the
No,
clinic
no, 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 no. I mean,
no
we needed help from you, because I am just self-learned, and whatever out of the little research that I keep doing is how I've learned. But of course, we need you to guide us and give us proper advice on these
See the
issues.
thing in हमारी स्पेशलिटी में क्या है ना एरिका न्यू थिंग्स कीप पॉपिंग अप जब मैंने
Right.
एमडी किया था विच वाज 20 इयर्स बैक सो बहुत सारे
Hmm.
मॉलिक्यूल्स इंक्लूडिंग ग्लूटाथायोन तब
Hmm.
हमारे वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था आई डिडंट रीड
Okay.
अबाउट इट इन माय मास्टर्स सो दिस
Uh-huh.
इज सच अ एवर चेंजिंग एंड न्यू रिसर्च फील्ड न्यू
Huh.
टेक्नोलॉजीज नए लेजर्स विच कीप्स अस ऑन आवर टोज अभी
Right.
ये जो सारे मॉलिक्यूल्स आए हैं ये नहीं थे 10 साल पहले
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
we were not talking
Hmm.
about
Hmm.
all this so
Hmm. Correct. Correct.
that's a good thing about it there are new developments which keeps us challenged all
Right.
the time
So I hope I mean, most of your questions have been answered, and we have covered major part of whatever people have asked us. So most of the common issues that we face, acne, dark circles, dark spots, stretch marks, pigmentation, everything has been answered in this chat, and you all can watch this chat again because it will be saved and also be on my YouTube channel. So
wow
thank you so much, Doctor. Thank you so
it's a
much for
pleasure
coming on the live
pleasure
chat and giving us
thank you
answers to our questions. Thank you.
and if anybody's still questions are not answered let them DM us at
No
cutis.in
problem. Yes.
because I would
Yes.
hate to disappoint anyone so
Yes. So you know where to contact doctor, and you know where to also get your appointment. So she's just I will tag her ID also to this chat so that you
thank
don't
you
miss out on it. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And
Such
I
a
see you
pleasure.
soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.